So welcome back my friends. In this lecture we are going to see what are the things we need to install in order to continue with our vendor project. For that, what I'm going to do is we are going to install some of the packages here. So for that, what we are going to do is come to here. Let's clear the terminal and let's close this like that. Now we are going to install some of the packages like maintain UI. So what is maintain UI? If you come to here, so we are going to use maintain UI for both admin and vendor projects. So if you ask me what is maintain UI, it was underrated package. It was cruelly underrated package for everyone. So you need to use this. You need to use this maintain UI. It was basically an UI. So if you come to here, a fully featured React components library, build fully functional accessible web applications faster than ever. Maintain includes more than 100 customizable components and 50 hooks to cover you in any situation. Yes, it was so beautiful package or so beautiful library. So what you're going to do is come to here, maintain UI Next.js installation. Just type like that, click on enter, click on here. So yes, as you can see, generate new application. Yes, we have done it. We need to select some packages here so it will get updated here. So yes, we are going to install maintain slash form here. Okay. Yes, we need to select this package maintain slash models, and we need to install hooks also. So yes, that's it. Now click on copy code here. So npm install maintain slash core. We have selected this. We have selected hooks, core, form, dates and models here. So come to here, come to your project. So now you need to install this and click on enter. So npm install, you need to install some of the packages here like this. So let's wait until it gets okay, we have got some errors here. So yes, definitely you will get some of the errors while installing some of the packages onto this vendor project, because we are using React 19 RC version here, which means release candidate version, which was given by Next.js. So for that we need to use force command here. So keep force flag here, so these packages will install successfully. So let's wait. So now we have installed these packages here, and it's time to install some of other packages. Okay guys, so also we are going to use MUI here. So if you ask me what is MUI, it was a very famous library, MUI.com. We are going to combine these maintain UI and MUI for to build our applications, for to build our both admin and vendor dashboards. So now in order to install it, we need to go to here, MUI installation Next.js, click on enter, click on here or here. Now click on copy here, come to here and give a force command here, cut it and just clear this terminal. Right click on it in order to install, click on enter. So yes, it will get installed. So yes, as you can see, it has found 0 vulnerabilities. So after that, we are going to install some other things like MUI icons material, npm I MUI icons material, add a test. You can keep it like that. Make sure you are not going to have any typos. Use force flag here. Click on enter. As you can see, it was installed here. Okay. Expand this. npm I MUI slash x dash data dash grid. You need to install this package. Okay. Click on enter. Now after that, we need to clear our terminal to see it better. Now after that, we need to install some of the packages relating to our entire project like bcrypt, cloudinary to store our images on web, day.js. We need to install George React, which is a library for us, which enables rich text editor. We need to install JSON web token here, movement, mongoose. We are going to use mongoose here. on our project, we need to install React icons, recharts, Slugify, which slugifies the text here. And finally, we are going to use Sonar. Which was a Toast library. Make sure to use force flag and click on enter. So as you can see, we have installed our required packages. So it's time to actually get started with our project. See you on the next lecture, guys. Thank you.